Good morning, everybody. I thought I would do another cold start video. Well, it's not really cold because it's 101 degrees outside, but it's the first start of the morning for the car. And I did actually adjust the idle. I know the previous video, or the cold start video I did, was with the idle running pretty high, so I've adjusted the carb a little bit, just took down the fuel mixture a little, made it a bit more lean, and let's see how it starts up today. Just give it one pump on the gas. Yeah, like I said, it's 101 degrees out there, so it's idling nicely now. Like I said, it's Rochester 4 barrel carb.